Guys, so undergoing construction yung ating property. Ayan. So last 3 lots na lang siya, 1,000 square meter. No? And pre-selling po siya. Gagawan na po. Ayan, undergoing construction na po yung mga concrete road natin. Ayan na po yung kotse ko, Barangay Road. And from there, highway east west road. Search nyo lang sa Google Map. 10 to 15 minutes from Tagaytay here at Amadeo, Cavite. Barangay lang. Ayan. So ayan na guys, undergoing na yung construction natin. Alright, yung mga available na tatlo is around there. So magkakatabi siya na 1,000 square meter. Ayan. So yun po. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, nandito po tayo sa pinakabago natin property. Ito po is farmlet po siya for pre-selling. And dito po yung located at Amadeo, Cavite. And very near. Ito lang po siya along Barangay Road. And from the east-west road, kung sa-search po sa Google, is around 500 meters lang po siya. So I will show you a video po nung aking motorcycle from the highway. So going to this property at the end of the video. So and then if you are from Manila, and you are planning to get a lot here, very accessible po siya via the Calax na exit po sa Aguinaldo Highway and very near dito sa east-west road natin. And from this property going to Tagaytay is around 10 to 15 minutes. Andun na po tayo. So actually cold weather po dito. Right now it's 12 noon, no? And very accessible siya. So this is the property. Yeah. So this will be developed and be a concrete road with drainage, with lines for electricity and water, no? And there's actually available lots na mga 1,000 square meters, 700, 500, and meron po siyang included na free house, no? Free house around 17 square meter, and then included din yung perimeter fence if yung makuha mong property is dun sa may perimeter, no? And yeah, there will be also lines for water and electricity if I'm turned over. And then pwede nyo po siya lagyan ng mga pangarap yung rest house or you want na mga tanim-tanim, basta bawal lang po is poultry. So yeah, ito yung property guys. Actually under development siya right now. So yeah, ito yung mga equipment. Kaka-open niya lang last November, no? Last November. And siguro para mas ma-appreciate nyo muna yung ating property na ito, is paliparan muna natin siya ng drone shot para makita nyo ano ba yung nasa likod ng property. So yeah, here's the drone shot that you will see here on 3, 2, 1. Please watch our drone shot. So yun guys, nakita nyo naman guys yung ating drone shot. Napakaganda po ng property. And actually, very good investment siya if you are looking for a getaway lot. Yung stress ka sa city and you want a property na alam mo yun, malaki. And actually, malapit lang din naman siya sa mga establishments. Mga mall, wet market, schools, and ano po yung hospitals. So this is actually accessible. Kasi yan na rin mismo yung Barangay Road. And yeah, marami rin mga katabi dito ng mga houses, yan, mga private farms, no? And may mga resorts din. Tapos yeah, ito yung ating property. Actually, ganyan lang din naman ang itsura dyan. So this one will be developed for 12 meters concrete road right of way. Kasi yung property is nandyan po. Ayan. So yun. Okay. So tara, lakad-lakad tayo para makita nyo din yung ating property. Ayan. So, yung itsura pala ng ating free house, no? Is right here. Papakita ko yung itsura ng ating free house. Ayan. So nakita nyo. So meron ka dito malaking property around 1,000 square meter, no? Tapos meron ka maliit na free house, no? Plus you are, may mga tanim ka na, bawa gusto mo magtanim ng mga yan props, or bawa gusto mo maglagay ng mga pets mo, pwede siya guys, no? Actually malamig dito, no, ngayon, right now. Lalo kapag hapon guys, naghahamog din po dito. So yan yung ating equipment, yan. So ayusin yun dyan guys, lalagyan ng mga drainage, no? Tapos lalagyan din dyan ng bridge. Yan. Concrete bridge. Tapos ganyan lang din naman yung itsura doon sa likod kung nakita nyo yung drone shot natin. And actually this one, ang maganda dito kasi included na doon sa ating price. Doon makikita nyo sa price description yung transfer of title ng property sa individual title ng mga owners natin. So included po siya, and then ita-develop din to. So on the near future, after 4 years, 5 years, hindi nyo masabi kung magkano na yung magiging price ng ating property. So di ko alam kung magkano yung magiging price increase lalo ng mga property around here. So yeah, actually ito na siya guys, yung ating weather vibes here, no? Tapos yung video, I will show at the end of the video yung ating itsura nung from the highway, East West Road going to this property, no? Pero malapit ito sa Tagaytay guys. And ang weather dito maganda kasi hindi rin dito bumabaha, kasi mataas po ang location nitong Amadeo, Cavite. If you search on Google, mataas po ang above sea level nito. Actually maganda dito, makikita nyo yung lupa sa Amadeo, mataba, no? So wow, gusto mo maglagay ng mga ano mo, for retirement ng mga tanim-tanim mo, mag-relax, no? Pwede, no? And maganda dito guys, marami rin bilihan ng mga halaman malapit dito sa property na to. Yung mga may private na mga garden shop, mga plant shops. Yeah. So yeah, dun lang yung mga property available. Yan, may mga, actually ano na lang to, last around 7 lots, no? May mga 1,000 square meter, 700, 500. Yung 500 sold out na. So yun, around 700 yung mga remaining cuts natin, and 1,000 square meter. But yeah, dyan na yung property mismo. I-develop pa naman kasi to, so pre-selling pa kasi. Siguro para makita nyo kung ano ba yung sample finish ng mga project natin. So I will show you yung mga project natin na finish constructed na sa drone shot na to. In 3, 2, 1, here is the drone shot of our finished projects po. Guys, nakita nyo naman yung mga sample natin, mga projects. So talagang napakaganda, and napakarami dito guys around Metro Tagaytay. So yun lang din naman yung mangyayari dito, no? And yeah, this is farm lot residential pre-selling, no? And yeah, this will be ongoing development for the concrete roads. And yeah, ganyan lang din naman yung itsura doon sa likod. So yun lang guys, hope na nagustuhan nyo yung ating video for today. If you do like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up, and syempre wag mo kalimut subscribe yung ating channel, and hit mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga next upcoming videos natin. So yun, yung kagandahan nito is farm lot with free house po siya. Farm lot property na napakalapit po sa Tagaytay. Ito po yung ating highway. Ayan, this is East West Road po. Ayan, nandyan po yan sa kaliwa and kanan. And from the East West Road is around 3 minutes lang po going to the property. And if you are going to Tagaytay, diretsuhin nyo lang po yung kalsada na yan. It's around 10 to 15 minutes po going to Tagaytay. And right now it's around 5 PM exactly. So ano po siya, ito po yung weather vibes natin. Ito pag diniretso nyo naman to, this is going to, pwede kayo pumunta ng Cavitex, no? So going to Manila kung kayo nakatira sa Manila. Pero kung gusto nyo mas mabilis, is very accessible ito dito. So ito, diretsuhin nyo lang yung highway na yan. So ang tawag dito East West Road pag sinerch sa Google Maps. Yan, diretsuhin nyo lang yan. That is going to Calax, yung silang interchange guys. So ano to, so isakabit ko yung camera natin to the helmet. Ayan, magmumotor tayo. Ayan dito. So kakabit natin itong camera para makita nyo kung gaano siyang ka-accessible from this highway. Na actually ano siya, very what do you call this, kumbaga tinatawag nila is prime lot, no? So malaki yung potential. So yeah, we'll be going to the property. Kabit natin yung camera, going there. Then from there I will also show you drone shots and everything. So napakaganda nito guys. Kaya nyung Tagaytay, diretso yun yung kalsada na to. And marami dito mga kainan, yan, mga sikat na mga falls and more, yan. So tara, let's go. Puntahan natin yung ating property na napakalaki guys. May mga 1,000 square meter, 700 square meter, and so on and so forth. So let's go. So
So ngayon, magmumotor na tayo papunta sa property. So, liliko na muna tayo dito. So, going to the property, yan, dadaan tayo sa East-West Road, yan, kakanan tayo. Pag dinaretso nyo yan, 10 minutes to Tagaytay, 10 to 15 minutes dito pa Manila. Tara, let's go guys!
beach, not white sand, and around 2 minutes walk to the beach.